Hello everyone, welcome to the online platform of Dnyanadeep Academy. So today we are discussing one answer writing practice which will be beneficial for your mains answer writing. Okay. So the question is, discuss the significance of lion and bull images in Indian mythology, art and architecture. Now this question was asked in GS1 2022. Okay. Now basically when you are reading any question, you have the quite analytical data related to the it. But you have to present the data according to the requirement of the question. So we need to understand the locus and focus of the question to write precise and accurate answer. So pertaining to this question, the locus, that is the topic from which the question is prevailing, is basically the intricates, that is the detailings of the Indian architecture and mythology. Okay? And the focus, that is what is expected from the question to be written in your answer. So the focus is around the reverence, that is the respect given to the human or animal figures in mythology and their depiction, that is how they are foreshown or forecasted through architectural forms. Okay? So basically हा तुमचा focus आहे की बाबा reverence म्हणजे animal figures ला जसं की particularly या question मध्ये mention केलंय lion आणि bull चा जो reverence आहे जो तिथे संदर्भ आहे तो कशा प्रकारे पोर्ट्रे केला गेला आहे आपल्या मायथॉलॉजी मध्ये आर्ट आणि आर्किटेक्चर मध्ये ते आपल्याला या क्वेश्चन मध्ये ब्रीफ मध्ये डिस्क्राइब करायचं आहे. सो मूविंग अहेड, फर्स्ट स्टार्टिंग विथ योर इंट्रोडक्शन. इंट्रोडक्शन शुड बी शॉर्ट, प्रिसाइज अँड टू द पॉइंट. ओके. इंट्रोडक्शन जर तुम्ही इंट्रोडक्शन मध्ये जास्त लिहिण्याचा प्रयत्न केला किंवा गरजेपेक्षा कमी लिहिण्याचा प्रयत्न केला तर त्या ठिकाणी असं इंप्रेशन पडू शकतं की यू हॅव नॉट गॉट द क्लियर आयडिया ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. So your introduction should be in short the summary, or it should be the mirror of what is expected from the question. So introduction मध्ये पहा, long term evidences of lion and bull figures in aspect of numismatics, that is in the form of numismatics, deities which are worshipped, and murals. Now here mural is a Latin word which means wall paintings. Have been patronages of valor, that is what is meant by showing or forecasting valor, that is the supremacy, or you can say pride, sovereignty, strength and abundance. So ह्या इंट्रोडक्शन मध्ये तुम्ही ब्रीफली सांगितलं की जे लायन आणि बुल फिगर्स जे आपल्या आर्किटेक्चर मध्ये किंवा वेगवेगळ्या आर्ट फॉर्म्स मध्ये पोर्ट्रे केले गेले आहेत ते काय सिग्निफाय करतात किंवा ते काय पोर्ट्रे करत आहेत त्या ठिकाणी. दे आर सिम्बल ऑफ सोव्हर्निटी, स्ट्रेंथ अँड अबंडन्स. इज इट ओके? Then body of the answer, what should be included or what should be the content of your main answer? So in that we will include, we find numismatic evidence, that is the evidence in the form of coins of Durga Devi sitting on lion in the Gupta period. Now we see that gold coins were introduced for the first time by Indo-Greeks, then the purest form of gold coins were minted by Kushans, and later on gold coins were used in administration for exchange during the Gupta reign. But the portraits of king and queen on one side and Durga Devi sitting on lioness on other side of the coin was first time or first of its kind minted during the Gupta reign. Okay. So basically we see that lion has been patronaged as a vehicle of goddess Durga since ancient history or since ancient times. Okay. So त्या ठिकाणी we find evidence of Durga Devi sitting on lion, that is lion being the vehicle of goddess Durga Devi, that we can assure here with respect to mythology. Along with Hindu mythology, त्यात अजून एक रेफरन्स आहे की नरसिम्हा, which is considered as fourth avatar or incarnation of Lord Vishnu, which is half man and half lion. So या ठिकाणी पण नरसिम्हा फॉर्म ऑफ डायटी मध्ये पण ठीक आहे आपल्याला लायनचा रेफरन्स दिसून येतो इंडियन मायथॉलॉजी मध्ये. ओके. Then the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath has references of both. It has 4 lion pillars. It also includes images of bull. Hence, Ashoka pillar is a classic example. Basically, Ashoka pillar was constructed by Ashoka for propagation of Buddhism. And then this Ashoka pillar at Sarnath was adopted as the national emblem of a country, which signifies pride, courage and perseverance or determination. Okay? Which signifies courage and strength, and also has been adopted as the national emblem of our country. ठीक है? Then bull figures have the reverence, that is they are respected or showcased since initials including the Pashupati Shiva or the only initial deity which was worshipped during the Harappan civilization. Basically Pashupati Shiva or the form of Lord Shiva was considered basically as god of animals, okay, or god of Pashus we can call it here. So bullचा reference पण आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी दिसून येतो right from Harappan civilization, in Indian mythology or in worship of deities. Then famous Khajuraho temple, then the famous Khajuraho temple which is present in Madhya Pradesh has several sculptures of lions and bull on its architectural form. So we see a reference of lion and bull images even in architectural form, including famous temples like Khajuraho temple of Madhya Pradesh, okay, and they portray grace that is glory and strength. Nandi, which is basically considered as Jiva, Nandi which is basically considered as Jiva, that is soul, is considered as vehicle of Lord Shiva. Also it is considered as messenger, or we can say the message that has been portrayed to the general public by God Shiva, okay, or by Lord Shiva. So that was the main body or summary of your answer. So when you have to conclude the main answer or the conclusion part, the end part of the answer, that will include what? The eternal inclusion, eternal that is lasting till the timeline, okay, or lasting till the end of the time. The eternal inclusion of lion and bull images are indirectly patronage or royal symbolage of showcasing what is hidden in mythology or what has been believed in our ancient mythology, and the paintings to narrate, including the mural paintings of wall and including any other form of paintings which were forecasted right from ancient, medieval to modern history and the present era. ठीक है? So ह्या प्रकारे तुम्ही तुमचा आन्सर कंक्लूड करू शकता, and you have covered the answer into 3 stages accurately, starting with introduction, the body of your answer, that is how these figures were related to mythology and your deities and architecture, and you can conclude it with the summary in 2 to 3 lines at the most. Okay, thank you.